everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am here with card number 2 from my online class. We are using the Circle Saying bundle, and the card we are going to make is this one right here today. Also, if you would like, comment, subscribe, and share my video, that would be great. So let's get right into this. What we need for the first card is a base that is 8.5 by 5.5, and you're going to score it in the middle at 4 1/4. Then you're going to have a piece of early espresso, and this one is 5 1/4 by 4. You're going to take your 2 3/4 inch circle. No, I take that back. You're going to take your 2.5 inch circle punch, and you're going to put it right in here in the middle, and you're going to punch out this. Put it in the middle. You want to go in as far as you can, not close to the edge or anything. You want to go right in the middle. Now, I've already gone ahead and done this, and I've done this for everybody that is in my class already. So you'll have this piece with a hole in it that'll come like this, okay? So then what you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to put adhesive all around the outside of the circle, and then we're going to add it to our card base like so. Okay, then you're going to go and you're going to have a piece of crumb cake that is 5 by 3 3/4, and you're going to use the Seabed embossing folder. It's a 3D, and you're going to put this in here just like so. You're going to take platform 1, and then you're going to take you're going to put your embossing folder with your paper in the middle. Then you're going to take platform 4, and you're going to run it through your Big Shot. I'm going to be running it through my electric machine. Okay. It will end up looking like this. Then we're going to take some linen thread, and we are going to wrap this around twice. So take a little piece of your adhesive, add it right here, then attach just the end of it to it, just like that. Then you're just going to wrap this around a couple times. You could crisscross, you could do what you want. Then when you get on this side, you're going to add another little piece of adhesive there. Yeah, I think I got some. Then you're going to cut the thread. Okay, so now it looks like something like this. You could spread them apart a little bit if you want. So it looks like that. Then we're going to take Stampin' Dimensionals, and we're going to put one in each corner. I'm going to put one over top of each of these threads as extra reinforcement. And then I am going to put 3 up the middle. Okay. And then we're going to place this right on top of this, covering up that hole. So no one will ever know but you and I, unless the person that gets your card deconstructs it. Okay, then we're going to take this circle. Well, not yet. We're going to take this circle, which is the 2 3/8 circle punch, the white one. And we're going to do some stamping. So we're going to take basic black, and we're going to stamp the seashells here. Okay. Sure, I got ink on them all. I think I might need to add some ink to that one again. And then we're just going to kind of decide where I want it a little bit, and then press down. Okay, so it looks just like that. Oops. Then we're going to take the Early Espresso ink, and in that same stamp set, there's the word Warm Hellos, and we're going to take that, and we're going to dab it up, and we're going to put that one right here. It looks just like that. And now we're going to do some quick coloring, and I'll zoom you in a little bit so you could see what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to probably fast forward this, so I'm going to tell you the colors I'm using now. I'm using Wild Wheat Light, Light Pecan Pie, SU 900, and Light Crumb Cake. Okay. And in place of the SU 900, if you don't have the natural packs, then you could always use Ivory. So I'm going to kind of explain what I did. I ended up taking the white piece and added it to the Early Espresso piece, put 2 stamping dimensionals on the end of it, and then attached it to the card. I'm so sorry. I forget sometimes when I zoom in and then I just keep going on. I gotta always remember to look up. And then I'm going to put one right over here, sequence. I added one here and one there. These are some of my favorite sequences. And then right there. So I probably will fast forward through even all the parts and explain it to you. And that is all we did for card number 2. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.